Now in this video I will show you that entries in the PDF documents will be lost when you save it in a browser, but it will be overwritten when you take the desktop version. Okay, first, this is now a document which I've got from my email account, or maybe from WhatsApp, from a colleague. So now when I fill this up with let's take the actual time. This is 14:54 test document, test entry, and here's my name. Now I fill it up, and now finally I would say, okay, now save that stuff. I save it with the actual time. This is now 14:15 saved with Chrome browser. Save it. Now when that's now it reopened that system, and as you see that that's empty. And when I open it, when I close it here or go down there to my downloads and open it here, then here, this is the one. When I open it with a click, then we come to the desktop version. This is now desktop version. I think D is for desktop or something like this. Now when I open it with my file folder again, then we will see this entry is lost. So I save it again, save new, and I will say okay, save here, and now it's 14:56 Chrome. Save it. Now I go there to my download folder, and that's what you see there. When you save it, that's not default. In this case it opens, but normally it doesn't open. When it opens, you have to pay attention. The entries here are you're missing that stuff. Now when I clear it and go to my desktop folder with my download folder there, that's where I saved it. And I said okay, this one, or the other one, the second one. Now when that's empty, and when I save something now, and I say okay, now it's 14:57 saved with desktop. And now my entry, pop, Raymond, and something else. And now we would say save it there at, now it's 5:7 with this, saved with desktop version. So now we will come to an end. Now I'm back on that stuff, and now I will see that's saved with the desktop. When I open it again, then the entry stuff should be there. So you see, and what's the result on that stuff? Whenever you work with PDF forms, then you should open and run it on from the desktop with a double click, or from there with Adobe Acrobat Reader DC. So on the desktop, this one is default. When you are on the browser, going Control J, then you will see those files there. And when you click on there, let's say this one, the other one is not there, not shown on the history of the desktop. Then when we go there and click on there, now we are on the desktop, and in the desktop there's nothing. That's the desktop version, and everything there is lost. So always work on the desktop and with the desktop entries. So, and the web version will not work.